How to get a refund on Mercari. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get a refund on Mercari. And here is how to go about it. The first thing you must notice that for you to get a refund, you must first of all initiate a return request. So you have 72 hours from receiving the item to request a return. And how do you do so? Once you're on your Mercari's home page, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines. Once you can see that amongst the options displayed, you would see options like home, my listings, seller's dashboard, my purchases. So that is where we're heading to. Just select my purchases so that you can be taken to your orders page. That is a page where all of the orders you've made, all of the purchases you've made, as well as some of your transactions that involve you buying things would be showcased. So now on this page, you would see the orders that are still in progress as well as the completed orders being displayed here. So yeah, you just have to like locate the order that you would like to request a refund for. And then once you've located the order, click on it and you'll be taken to the order status page. So on the status page, you'll see different options. So ensure you click on request cancellation and choose a reason for the cancellation request. So if the seller agrees and the order hasn't been shipped, Mercari would refund your original payment method minus any non-refundable fees. But then if the seller rejects the offer, you would most likely not get a refund. Right. But if the seller does not check the notification within 72 hours, Mercari will automatically refund your money as well. So this is basically how to go about it. And if you fall into the situation where the seller rejects, you can easily reach out to the customer service in order to lodge a complaint and it would be sorted out. So reach out to the customer service, move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines and then click on help center and you'll be directed on what to do. Thank you for watching and have a good day.